Why the most traders are destined to fail in trading. Trading is zero-sum game, and you as a trader, you compete against the best traders and institutions on the whole world. I was working more than 5 years with trading brokers. We also created our own broker, which we pivoted into HyroTrader, which is one of the biggest crypto prop trading firms. During my journey, I worked with thousands of traders, and only few of them were really profitable in the long term. And now I will tell you why the most traders will fail. First reason why the most traders fail is because they listen to trading gurus, they buy trading courses, and they buy signal groups. I told you many times in my other videos that trading is not get rich quick scheme, and if you are trying to get rich quick, someone else is getting rich out of you. No one will sell you profitable trading signals, and no one will sell you profitable trading strategy. You need to understand that. Most of trading gurus on the internet making money on signal groups, trading courses and affiliates with trading brokers. For example, some brokers offer affiliate opportunity that affiliate will earn 100% commission. That means you as a trader will deposit $500 and affiliate, your trading guru, will make $500 out of it. Most of the profitable traders doesn't need to show you luxury lifestyle on social media. They trade, they working on trading strategies day and night, and they don't have time to record videos with Lambos and yachts and everything, you know. So if you want to be profitable in the long term, focus on yourself. Don't listen to other gurus, don't buy courses, don't buy signals groups, and focus on your knowledge. For example, you can use ChatGPT to build your own trading strategy, and the ChatGPT will tell you much more for free than any guru on the internet. I use ChatGPT, many profitable traders use ChatGPT, or you can use Google, but depends on you, depends on your sources of information. That is the only way. Build your knowledge, focus on yourself, and don't listen to others. You don't need even to listen to me. And second reason why the most traders fail is because they trade on unregulated CFD brokers and prop trading platforms. You need to understand how the brokers and prop firm works. Most of the brokers are market makers or B-book brokers, and that means you are trading against your own broker. Your orders are not sent directly to the exchange, but you are trading against your broker, and your broker is your counterparty. Market maker and the B-broker profit when trader loses, and loses when trader wins. And this creates conflict of interest because broker earn money when you lose. Instead of this, you can use a book broker. With a book broker, your orders are always sent directly to the liquidity provider. This type of broker earn tiny commissions on every trade. So before you deposit your capital into the broker or the prop trading firm, investigate how it works and which type of firm you want to use. Okay guys, and this is the third reason why the most traders fail, and it is risk management and gambling. A lot of traders want to earn big and fast, but this is not how it works. Being profitable in trading takes a lot of time and effort, and you can't skip the process. So use stop losses, don't gamble, find your edge, find your strategy, backtest your strategy, and be patient. When you build your track record, there is a lot of legitimate firms which can provide you trading capital. After you will build your track record and you will have working strategy, there is a lot of serious prop trading firms which can provide you trading capital. With trading capital, you can risk less and you can grow more. I hope you learned something from this video and you will not do this beginner mistake, which most of the traders do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more honest advices about trading and crypto. See you in the next video.